This is Lake Chattooch in Hiawassee, Georgia. The clouds are so low today. Wow. But isn't that amazing? Look at this view. Can you imagine living in one of the houses up there? Absolutely gorgeous. Alright everyone, when I win the lottery, I want to live in one of the houses up there on the mountain that has the lake view. So let's hope that one day I win the lottery. But isn't this amazing? Beautiful, so peaceful. You just literally just spend the whole day just watching the water, hanging out here.